Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and the first video of the 2020 new year. What are we doing today? Well, we're working on this thing right here. We've got some hood props right down here, and we got an STi Hood Scoop, which is gonna replace this slightly smaller hood scoop. Unfortunately, I haven't gotten the under piece, but right now this hood scoop's gonna be just for looks. Since it's still going to be allowing the same amount of airflow in. But that will be changed when I get that little under piece, but I haven't got it right now. So, yeah, this is just, for now anyway, it's going to be just for looks. All we need to do now is just open up the hood and get these installed. So anyway, let's get to it, yeah? So there's the hood scoop out. You may be wondering, what the hell's up with this? Why'd you leave this in there? Well, I'm gonna have to remove that, but pretty much I have to loosen this by like holding it on the back, because there's a little clip piece back here which is broken. Just for a quick comparison of the WRX versus the STi Hood Scoops, there you go. There is a very noticeable difference. If we make this camera level with the ground, yeah, there's definitely quite a size increase when we go with the STi Hood Scoop. You know, I was a little bit lazy with removing some of this excess wrap from around the hood scoop area, so I'm gonna actually cut some of that out right now. To give you a little bit of an update, I've kind of been working with the hood scoop off camera because I feel like this is just the easiest way I can get the wrap done on the hood scoop. It's just to really focus on getting it right the first time so I don't have to redo it, and part of that kind of focus is not really recording, or at least forgetting to you know, place the camera down and record, so I kind of just, you know, get to work and you know, really just go in. The top bit of the hood scoop is done, and then I'm working with the sides, back, and this side, and then when we're done, I'm going to leave the front of it black. So pretty much I'm going to cut it off right at the very edge there. So this whole front piece is going to be black, and then the rest of it will be purple. Okay, so here is the hood scoop, top part of it installed. Like I said, I'm going to get the STi bottom piece, but for now I'll still use the WRX one. And I did actually wrap this bottom piece here, just because I thought it did look a little bit odd cut off. And I even wrapped this one using one piece, so I mean there's another one piece here, but overall just one piece of wrap, whereas on this one, since I couldn't figure out how to do it with one, if you look closely, you'll see a little line here. That's because I used two pieces to wrap the hood scoop right down the middle there, because I kept screwing it up. We got another box here. What's inside? So let's just open this up. Alright everyone, so it's been a little bit since I last filmed this part of the video. I have driven the car a little bit. I got a little story to tell actually. The first, yesterday I drove this car and my hose clamp here broke and it fell off, so I was gonna do a little pull, and then this fell off, and I actually thought I blew up the car. I actually did think I blew up the car, but I didn't, so yeah, things are good. You may see some of the wires here, and that is because I actually finished up doing the gauges. So yeah, that's all done now. If you didn't know, which I wouldn't be surprised if you didn't, because I filmed a video about installing the gauges and I never actually uploaded it, but pretty much a few months ago I installed a boost gauge, a oil pressure gauge, and an oil temperature gauge. I installed at least the gauge part of it, but the oil temp and oil pressure I never hooked up. I only hooked up the boost pressure, and that was it. So I've got all that stuff plugged in now, so I don't know if you can see. Anyway, underneath the alternator down there, that's where my oil pressure gauge is, and then back here, as you can see right down there, that's where I have the oil temperature sensor for the gauge set up, and then obviously wiring and stuff back here. Anyway, that's going to be it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, go ahead, leave a like, comment below, and make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new. At the time I'm filming this, we are 2 subscribers away from 1,000, which is just, that's mad. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.